How to borrow money from Cash App without direct deposit. So, for this, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to your Cash App as so. And what you're going to be doing is you're going to go over to your home section. Now, over here, they're going to go ahead and give you these three options to add your money, right? Now, in these three options, what we're going to want to do is we're obviously going to want to make sure that our account is technically verified. Now, in the account section, go to link debit card. And once you have gone ahead and linked your debit card, from there on out, what you're simply going to do is you're going to add any amount of money. And once you add any amount of money, what you're going to do is you're going to make sure to link it with your Afterpay. And once you've done that, what's going to happen from there on out is Afterpay is going to get linked to your Cash App account. And from there on out, there are easy sailings to when it comes to borrowing money from Cash App. So that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.